Hi, this is our GenAxy Muffle furnace, and this is the door lock. This is the inner chamber. The heating process is going on now. The temperature is 650. And this is the temperature controller. This is the load, and this is the main. This is the main switch. By pressing this is now in switch off condition. By pressing this, now the equipment is on condition. And this is the temperature controller. By simply pressing both switch mode plus increase switch, we can increase the value, and by pressing the both switch mode and decreasing switch, we can decreasing the value. After that, simply we can put our hand, and that's green LED showing the set value, the user level set value, and the red blinking display showing the process value. It means the inner temperature of the muffle furnace. So this is all about our GenAxy muffle furnace.